Hi, Miss Cathy here. Today we're going to do an activity that you can do at home. This is called coffee filter art. We have different shapes that you can do. You can do any different shapes that you would like. And you have your markers. Children can get their markers, different colors. And it's also good if you do not have a place to do it at home, you can use a tray. So for when you spray your water. Okay, Grayson is coloring on her. She made a heart. She picked a heart.
Yep.
Yes, and look at all those pretty colors on there. You did a lot of pretty colors.
Can I be
And then, yeah, you're going to spray. She's been excited. So you're going to spray water. And what's happening to that?
It's making rainbow.
It's making rainbow. All the different colors. Look at that. Good job. Whoa, look at those colors all spreading out. Nice job. And this is a fun activity that you can do at home. And when you are finished, it makes a nice tie-dye look, different colors. You can make a butterfly out of it with a little clip and hang it up. All sorts of things. Good job. So that's just a nice activity that you could do at home. Thank you.